Okay, so I'm going to be starting in Blender. All right, we're going to go to the top left where it says File. We're going to go down to Import. We're going to grab STL. All right, we're going to pick something. I have these. I can show you where to get these links. All right, so this is a really cool helmet. I really like it. But the wings, they're a little exotic, right? They're cool to have on some guys. Maybe not all of them. There's different ones too. So I am going to go to Object Mode. All right. Using Shift, I'm going to click a bunch of the different parts. All right. Now, if I click Control and L, all of the parts. This only works for some models, but all of those parts actively now become connected. Now, I want the rest of those too, so I'll be hitting Shift, and then I'm clicking on all the extra parts. Shift is just the button to help you continue with that. Make sure there's there's things on the back. Get those too. Do for the same side. Now, because we're using the dot structure, which is here, we could use lines or grids, but we want to use dots. Got to make sure to actually click on the dots for it to count. Right? Now I'm going to hit Control L. It's going to grab all of those parts. Going to double check we have everything. Now we're going to right click, go down to Separate, and then Separate Selection. Now the wings are different, right? So now we're going to go back up. We're at Edit Mode, Object Mode. Click on the screen to unhighlight them. We're going to grab the wings, and we're going to make sure that everything came off. Look at that. Now it's just a beautiful helmet. All right. Now you can delete the vertices by right-clicking again, but we're not going to do that. So we are going to, let's say we want them back on the helmet. All right. So we're going to take them. We're going to measure them to where we want, so about there, right? Maybe a little bit further. This takes for any item you want to do with, right? We're going to click the big body first, go to this little mark, add modifier, Boolean, union, and then we're going to take this and we're going to grab the wings. All right, so if we turn off the view, sometimes it ruins it. So we have to make it fast solver, which that also doesn't work, since sometimes you hit self intersection, which takes a lot of power. See, and there we go, all back connected. Then we just hit down arrow, apply. It's also going to take a little bit of time. However, though, if it doesn't crash, just let it work yourself. I'm using Windows 10, so it's definitely a little bit older. It should be good. And then I will show you how to save this beautiful helmet. Alright, so it worked. Now the helmet is one thing, and you have an extra copy of the wings, which we don't need. So we're going to turn those off. Now we're going to bring that back. So now we're going to hit File, Export as an STL, and then save it wherever you want. There you go, man. You can do this for a lot of little parts. You can get rid of the dots and the studs. You can take the whole top part of this helmet off and put on a different helmet. You can save the individual parts if you do this and go to File and save it again. And you can attach these to other helmets. It's really cool. It's how I build all my stuff. So there you go, man. Hope you have a good time with the Dark Angels. For the lion.